Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haze Long. I'm an artist and speed painter from Malaysia, and today I'll be sharing a few tips on how lining your art can make or break your painting. So today we have here an acrylic painting that is done without lining for the face, and I'm going to show you how I line the face. The first tip of the day is not to overwork your line work. Try to get it right the first time and don't paint over the same line again and again. This will make your painting look stiff. For digital artwork, we actually have to decide if we want to line outside, inside, or in the middle. But if we are doing this traditionally with a brush, we can always decide when and where to go outside, inside, or in the middle of the stroke. So we can really improve on the drawing using this method. When doing line work, it's very important to do it in one stroke so that it looks natural and spontaneous. Another very important tip is never to use a ruler or a stencil when you're doing straight lines, circles, or fonts so that your artwork does not look stiff. It's better to have them wriggly instead of having a stiff painting. I really love doing line work because it can really clean up a painting, because our painting can be a little bit more messy in the beginning and then we can just clean it up with our line work. So this really saves a lot of time. And here's a new idea for you guys. You can always have your line work to have gradients if you want. Line work doesn't have to be the same width throughout. It can be various width, and then also you can detach them and disconnect them into dashes as well. A simple concept is also to treat line work as the shadow part of the painting, so use it to create shadow shapes, and this would turn out well in a painting. Important tip is to be very conscious on how your line work connects to each other. Are they supposed to be disconnected or are they supposed to connect in a rounded shape? Make a decision and stick to it throughout the painting. If you're working on a large canvas, take advantage of that and do a really bold outline. This will really make your painting pop like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Bye!